Brazoria County. It is this spot right here in south central Brazoria County that radar has indicated a storm with a possible rotation to it. And so it's possible that this could be producing a waterspout, a warm air funnel, the weakest of the tornadoes. That's what I would expect out of a storm like this in an atmosphere like this, very unstable, rapidly rising warm air. So a warm air funnel, a weak, probably EF0 tornado is possible. We have not had an actual sighting of one. This is all being detected by radar. It's possible that you could have a tornado. This storm could produce a tornado right near Bastrop Beach. So here's Lake Jackson, there's Angleton. This storm is drifting north very, very slowly. And if you look at the structure of the storm, you see how it's kind of kidney shaped? So that's an indication that there may be some rotation in here. And that's the type of storm that can produce a weak, brief tornado. So tornado warnings in effect till 8:45. So for about the next 10 minutes, again, this is south central Brazoria County. There's Highway 288. There's Lake Jackson. There's Angleton. And here's our storm with a possible rotation to it. Bastrop Beach. So if you're in the community of Bastrop Beach, you want to take cover first floor, interior room of your home, away from windows. That is the safe place to be. And let's just get a little closer view here. Right. So we're just to the north of Richwood. There's Van Pelt, there's Witchwood, there's Bastrop Beach. So right in here, possible rotation with that thunderstorm cell. And it is producing some lightning and thunder, so there is some up and down motion, some convection with that particular cell. Again, that tornado warning right there, just to set your bearings. That's the little spot in south central Brazoria County in effect until 8:45. As far as the rest of the area goes, there are a ton of minor high water spots on the roadways across southeast Texas. Montgomery County, Grimes County, Waller County, Harris County, Liberty County, Fort Bend County, Brazoria County. And it looks like they've reissued, what they've done is they've just reissued that tornado warning for this cell that's rotating down here. This possible tornado will now be in effect until 9 p.m. And again, we'll zoom in on that spot. And that's why we've broken into programming, just to let you know. So, boy, they've really tightened it up. That's the spot right there until 9 o'clock. Tornado warning for this thunderstorm cell that, if you look at the shape of this, see how it's curly-cued a little bit? So that's an indication that you've got a counterclockwise rotation right in there. And that's the type of storm that can produce a warm air funnel, which is a waterspout. These coastal counties, quite often you'll get waterspouts in these tropical air masses like this when thunderstorms develop. These waterspouts, these warm air funnels, quite often have wind speeds anywhere from 45, 50 miles an hour up to about 60, 65 miles an hour. So they're not very strong. But that is strong enough to break tree limbs, to damage a metal awning and flip it off the roof, and that becomes flying debris, and that becomes dangerous. It can break windows. So again, that's why we say anytime a tornado or a tropical funnel threatens you, stay away from it. Stay away, interior room of your home, away from windows, first floor. That's the spot you want to be. And again, this is the spot we're looking at right here, just south of Bastrop Beach, north of Lake Jackson, south and east of Angleton. Angleton, you can probably hear the thunder, but you're not being impacted by this tornado warning at the moment. It's really the community right in here of Bastrop Beach in south central Brazoria County. So there we are. And that's the spot right there, Bastrop Beach. There you are. You can see Van Pelt just to your north and west. You're getting heavy rain, Van Pelt, but you're not in that rotation area, which is going to be right in here. And there's Witchwood, who's now well south of that storm. So until 9 o'clock, tornado warning, community of Bastrop Beach. This little thunderstorm cell is showing very little movement. Very, very little movement at all. It's just kind of sitting there. And again, this is being indicated by Doppler radar, suggesting that we've got a little rotation in here. I don't have any official reports, any sightings of a tornado or a warm air funnel, which this most likely is. This is most likely a tropical funnel, again, with winds of 40 to 60 miles an hour in them. But that's strong enough to do at least minor damage and flying debris, and that can become dangerous. So again, tornado warning in effect for the community of Bastrop Beach in south central Brazoria County, and we'll zoom back out and just so you can set your bearings again. This is the spot where we've got that cell with a little rotation in it. The rest of the area, it's letting up, but it's still light rain blanketing southeast Texas from Brenham to downtown to Galveston, and there is a little stronger thunderstorm cell there moving over Galveston Bay, and that may cross over Galveston Island, the Bolivar Peninsula, the Lynchburg, not the Lynchburg Ferry, the ferry that goes, the Bolivar Ferry. You may end up seeing some heavy showers there. This should all taper off as we head deeper through the evening. You can see it is a weakening trend. In fact, we're seeing the rain now coming to an end from Austin to just about Brenham. So this is weakening. I think this has wrung out so much of the energy in the atmosphere that things should settle down overnight. And we'll take a quick look while we're here at the computer models as far as what they're thinking for tomorrow. And by the way, as we zoom in on this, this is already becoming a little bit more muddled. So what rotation might be in here may not last too much longer. And these warm air funnels, these atmospheres, they come and go very, very quickly. So here's our computer model. This is what it thought things would look like right now. Close. So it's initiated decently. We go into 1 a.m. May still be some showers right off the upper Texas coast by 1 a.m. The rest of us light rain and drizzle. And let's see. So we go into 7 a.m. and that's fairly quiet. So maybe a few pockets of light rain here and there, but nothing big and bad now forecast for the morning commute. But you can see what happens going into midday. A little bit of warmth. We head into like 10, 11 o'clock toward noon, and we're going to get more widespread scatter showers and thunderstorms firing up in this very unstable atmosphere. And we'll continue with a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms going into 6:30 p.m. on Friday. So that is the latest. We'll have a complete update, updated computer models coming up on the TV side. KHOU 11 News live at 10 o'clock with the weather headlines and the news headlines of the day. We will see you then, 10 o'clock on KHOU 11 News on the TV side at 10 for a live update.